Our today's topic of discussion is the lattice defect. Every crystal in mineral assumed to be perfect, or any crystal has perfect arrangement of unit cells to make a perfect crystal. So an ideal crystal is which has the perfectly ordered atomic arrangement structure, but generally in real sense it does not happen so, and somewhere some defect or any impurity enters into the crystal structure and distort the general arrangement of crystal. So this type of impurity or defect is known as lattice defect. And this type of defect can be generally analyzed using X-ray diffraction method, transmission electron microscopy, or HRTEM method, which can detect the defect at atomic level also. So lattice defect is what? Lattice defect is what? Some introduction of foreign atom into the three-dimensional unit cell arrangement, or the escape of atom from the crystal structure, or three-dimensional arrangement of atoms is known as lattice defect. The defect that is occur in the lattice will ultimately affect the physical appearance or optical properties of crystal. It can give a colorful appearance to the mineral, or it can affect the electrical conductivity also, because if the charge is neutral in any crystal, this will not give us an electrical property, but if any ion is reduced or any cation is introduced, the crystal can give us an electrical conductivity. Or the impurities defect means impurities can affect the mechanical strength, or the ability to break apart along cleavage can also be affected by the defects. Generally we study three type of defect based on their mode of dimension, or what kind of arrangement they have during the defect. So first is point defect, means the defect or impurity will be occur at point level or only atomic level. Second is line defect, means the impurities can be occur at point or rows of point or a group of point which can be in line. So this is that is why it is known as line defect. Or planar defect means in two-dimensional, when more than two line or more than one line can give us an defect. Or a plane of defect means in crystal arrangement, if a plane, the whole plane is got defected or got impurity, it is known as planar defect. This is the relative properties of major three type of defect: point defect, line defect, and planar defect. In point defect, the defect will be localized and will involve only a single atom or ion. Means during the point defect, the impurity will be occur at a single atom or a single ion. Means if atom can be removed, or atom can be moved into a new place in crystal, or a new atom can add. So these three type of possibility happen in point defect. And if defect occur at ion level, then a positive ion can move a negative ion can move, or a positive ion can introduce into the structure, or positive ion can remove from the structure, and the same also happens for negative ions. And the dimension is 0. 0 means there is no continuity of the defect in this type of defect. Means in point method there will be no continuity of defect. It will be localized at a single point or atom or ion. An example of this defect is vacancy. Means if any atom is got removed from the structure, then it will create a vacancy. If it will change its position, means it will be interstitial. Means initially it is here, for example, in the structure, then it can remove to a new place in the crystal structure, and it can substitute. Means if one atom is removing from the structure and other atom is coming at that place from which the atom is removed, is known as substitution. And there are generally two type of point defect. First is Frankel defect, and second is Schottky defect, that we will discuss further. And what is the effect of point defect, or what how crystal structure got defected from point defect is the it can affect the density. Means by introducing or by removing the atom or ion, the density can increase or decreased. And it can affect the electrical property. Means the conductivity of electricity or moving of electron into the crystal structure can also affect by the point defect. And it can also affect the optical property. Means how it is reacting when we apply the any electromagnetic radiation or especially visible light. So this was the point defect. Second is line defect. It will be one dimensional. Means it will be in line or rows of atom. Means the defect will be occur in a whole line or whole row of atom, or the defect will be occur at more than one atom or ion, is called as line defect. It is one dimensional. Means it will be occur in a line or any line which is connecting to more than one atom or two atom. And the type of line defect is the edge dislocation and screw dislocation, which we will discuss later. And how it influencing the crystal structure, it will influence at mechanical property. Means the strength can be reduced or increased on basis what type of line defect is occurring into the crystal structure. And it can affect the ductile behavior of crystal.